Alright, question ng ating subscriber na nag-resign siya after 3 years, no? And then after 2 years, nakabalik siya. Now, for purposes of redundancy daw, kung kasali ba ang 3 years sa computation. Obviously, ang tinutukoy dito ng ating subscriber ay ang separation pay na makikita sa Article 298 ng ating Labor Code. While it's true na ang ating separation pay for redundancy, nakalagay dyan 1 month per year of service, or at least 1 month, whichever is higher, no? So, take note na yung basis lagi dyan per year of service. So, the year of service na nire-refer dyan, yung merong vinculum juris or yung relationship, which is employer-employee, yung legal tie, no, between the parties, and that's employment relationship. Pag wala yan, hindi kasali yan. So, yung period na hindi siya empleyado should not be counted anymore. Alright, for purposes of computing the redundancy or separation pay.